Episode 5 of the Subaru Crosstrek Chronicles. Engine bay nice and clean here. Today I'm installing this K&N filter. 700-mile road trip in a couple of days, so I'll have this in the car when I do my road trip. Part number 33-5064. So I don't see any screws or anything, just clips, so this should be pretty simple. Yeah, that's it. So you just pull that and then get at the filter. Let me do this off camera. Perfect size. Not surprising, K&N's always perfect with sizing with their aftermarket filters. You can see the dirt around right there. A little circle of dirt. There's a K&N filter. And there's plenty of room. It moves just enough. No tension in the wires or anything. So just put the filter in. Simple install in this car. It's just clips. No screws to remove. Perfect fit. Now, let's put this back in. Literally a 1-minute install. That's it. Simple on this car. Some cars have like Phillips head screws on them to get to the air filter, but this car is just 2 clips right there. This is why non-performance oriented cars tend to be really quiet. When you look at the intake on this car, this is where the air comes in, and it's about that thick. See the air box right there? About that much. Air goes into the box. This is a sound baffle right here. Another sound baffle right here. So if this car were to get an intake released for it, the intake would just be a tube like that. MAF sensor. It would have a hole for the MAF sensor and just a cone right here. But yeah, all this wouldn't be there. This would come out. So the engine bay would look a lot cleaner. So yeah, this cone filter right here, and it would be just getting air from behind the headlight. That's it. Yeah, if this car were to get an intake installed, all you would need to do is have some kind of MAF sensor, like, you know, opening. That's it. Just one little thing here. There you go. Subaru Crosstrek 2.0 K&N filter install. I will go on my road trip tomorrow. Let's see if this improves fuel economy. I already have the first part of the video set up, so you'll find out in about a week. I'll have it uploaded.